The M08SY from Tsugami Rim Sales is part of our universal line of products. This two-spindle Y-axis lathe is the perfect solution for your shop's done-in-one operations. The M08SY is equipped with two automatic hydraulic chucks, 8-inch for the main, 6-inch for the sub. The main features an integral spindle, 15 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque. The sub features an integral spindle, 10 horsepower and 36 foot-pounds of torque, making secondary operations effortless. The machine features 4,500 RPM between both spindles and a bar capacity of 2.6 inches with a max turning diameter of 11 inches. Both the main and the sub spindle feature a full C-axis and C-axis brakes for all your milling and drilling needs. With full synchronization between both spindles, part handoffs have never been more simple. The M08SY features an automatic 12-station turret and can be tooled up with live or static tools on any station. The machine comes standard with a robust tooling package, 3 double turn holders, 4 double boring holders, 1 cutoff holder, and 4 live tool heads. The machine features a Z-axis travel of 16 inches with a Z-axis rapid rate of 1,063 inches per minute. The X-axis features 8.7 inches of machine travel at a rapid rate of 945 inches per minute. The compound Y-axis features plus or minus 2 inches of travel and a rapid rate of 472 inches per minute. The M08SY is built heavy from the ground up, from the boxways on the X and Y axis to the roller guides on the Z, and a total machine weight of 13,000 pounds. We provide you the rigidity you need. Contact your